Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to have a look at how we can extend the range that we've done now. We did the fermenting of the chili sauce. So now I'm going to take that and step it up another notch so we can have maybe something like a spicy burger sauce or something for nachos, but a nice spicy little sauce, which is going to have a consistency of more like a mayonnaise type of product. And obviously you're not going to have as good a shelf life with this, so I would suggest if you make it, use it probably within a week to 2 weeks, because your stability on that is not going to be the same as with your normal fermented product. So let's give it a bash and see what happens. I'm going to go through the steps of how to make it. We're going to take what we've made last week and we're going to show you how to make it into a nice creamy sauce. Now, as you can see, I'm just taking the sauce that we made last week and we're just going to pop it into the blender. Nice thick. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add some oil just to emulsify, and then with the emulsification we're going to get a nice creamy sauce. Okay, let's get blending and emulsifying. What we have to do is, as we're blending it, we just need to add the oil in slowly, like you would do a normal mayonnaise type of sauce. So let's have a quick look. We're almost there. It's got a little bit further to go and a bit more oil to add. Okay, let's have a look what it's done. As you can see, we've got a lovely creamy sauce. And now we can bottle it. It's a simple thing that just gives you so many different variants of what you've made the first time around. You can extend it with different ideas. You can add coriander to this, you can add a little bit of liquid smoke. It's endless. So just a heads up of how you can change what you've made with your fermented sauce in the first place. And let's bottle these bad boys quickly. You should notice the difference in the consistency of this product now. It's a lot more watery as well. but very smooth. So we've got something totally different. And that's it for today. Hope to see you back next time.